Everything you do is a process. And this is the way we look at everything in my company. Whether it be raising the garage door, setting an injection mold in place, doing a keynote presentation like I'm doing, very visual. So we've created a visual workplace where everything is improving and we address every problem immediately. This is the way we think about things. I mean, what a simple idea. We also refer to this as using your wits and not your wallet. So look how simple. Most people would have said, oh, well, let's create a digital garage door with electronic sensors on there. So if you push the button and the garage door's down, we'll put a little photo eye on there, and that will stop it from happening. But that's not the way we think. We think, how do we do that? How do we solve that problem with the available resources without using our money all the time to solve problems? And we did it with a simple block of wood. This is a whole different way of thinking. Now, you don't have to think this way. You can be like the hamster and you can keep doing what you've been doing, going around and around and around and wondering, why the hell is your company or your work still the same way? And you're exhausted every morning. You get up in the morning and you think to yourself, man, I was dealing with that same problem yesterday. I was dealing with that same problem 3 months ago. I was dealing with that same problem a year ago. Our company is stuck, like this hamster stuck. So you don't have to listen to what I'm saying. You can do whatever you want. I'm just going to show you what it is we're doing. Now, the lean system that I'm talking about is not a superhero system. This is not where you hire a lean consultant like me to come in who's very expensive to solve all your problems. Nope. It's not a superhero problem. Just the opposite. What it is, and it's definitely not bureaucracy. It's not like, okay, now we got to do all these reports. We have to get all this permission. We're going to make an improvement. We got to fill out a requisition form. I have to get permission from my boss. Nope, we don't do any of that stuff. We don't do it at all. And there's no charts and graphs. We're not going to hang things on the wall to manage our key performance indicator. You know what our key performance indicator is? It's a smile on our people's face. Our people are happy. Our people are happy because we allow them to think. We allow them to fix their problems. No charts and graphs, just smiles. And it's definitely not the flavor of the month. You go to a conference like this and you learn something, you say, oh, well, we're going to try that. We're going to do it for a week. We're going to do it for a month. We're going to do it for 2 months. Then it's going to fade off and we're just going to go back to doing the same thing we're doing. Nope, it's not the flavor of the month. But what it is a total participation system.